Everyone, my name is Samsul R K. You can call me Samsul. I'm from 9J, and in this video I will tell you how to make a dalgona coffee. So let's get started. So the ingredients that you need is sugar, bowl, spoon, hot water, a glass, milk, and of course coffee. So the first thing you must do to make a dalgona coffee is, of course, put the coffee to bowl. Just 1 tablespoon of coffee. I know, I'm so annoying. Talk to myself. And second thing is you put the sugar to bowl, just 1 tablespoon. So actually dalgona coffee had ratio for make. So the ratio is 1 tablespoon of coffee, sugar, and warm water. Yeah, and the last one is put the warm water, just 1 tablespoon of warm water to the bowl. And after that, you must mix as you can. Yes, actually it takes 5 minutes to mix them properly. And after that, you put the milk to the glass as you can, guys, as you guys want. I put what I want. Put, stop. Yeah. So after that, put the dalgona coffee dough to the milk carefully. So it make the perfect dalgona coffee. So just put it. Oh, actually this is my first time make a dalgona coffee with the perfect finish. Oh, just put it. And after that, you can put the ice to the glass if you want the cold water. So yeah, finally finish, and you can mix them, or you can and also you can drink without mix, but I prefer mix first and drink after that. So yeah, just mix. Dalgona coffee, it's almost of tutorial is mix all of ingredients. Okay. I'm not carefully. So actually guys, I don't know what to say because I don't have any script. Like last time I made a video of introduce myself, but I'm trying to make the best of my video, but this is what can I make. Wow, the taste of good. Yes, I know, right? Because it was my handmade. Okay, actually I can't drink dalgona coffee, but yeah, thank you